Here is a sample nutrition label showing the basic information you might see on the packages of foods you purchase. Let's take a closer look at what each item means. A serving size defines the amount of food on which all of the nutrition information is based. It might be listed in cups, ounces, or by piece count. For example, a serving size of cookies may be shown as 3 cookies per serving on the package. Keep in mind, this is not a recommendation for how much you should eat. It is simply a guide to make your nutrition information accurate. Serving size is especially important if you are tracking what you eat. For example, if the package lists a serving size as 3 cookies, but you actually eat 6 cookies, you need to double the nutrition information when recording your intake. The label will also tell you how many servings are in an entire package. This helps you estimate the total nutrition information if you were to consume the whole package. Sometimes you may need to calculate this yourself, while other labels may show it for you in a 2-column format. One column for the nutrition per serving, and another column for the nutrition per package. Sometimes the serving size listed on a food label doesn't match what people actually eat, which can lead to confusion about nutritional intake. The real serving size is the amount defined on the package, usually based on standard measurements and common consumption patterns. However, the perceived serving size, the portion people think of as a serving, is often larger or smaller than this. For example, a bag of chips might list a serving size as 1 ounce, about 15 chips, but many people eat the whole bag in one sitting without realizing they've consumed several servings. Understanding this difference is important for accurately tracking calories and nutrients, so always compare your portion to the label's serving size to avoid underestimating your intake. Let's say you buy a pint of ice cream after a tough week, planning to treat yourself. The label says one serving is half a cup, but there are 4 servings in the container. Who really eats just half a cup and puts the rest away? Most of us dig in, and before we know it, that pint is history. If you eat the whole thing, you're actually eating 4 servings, not just one. So all those nutrition numbers, calories, sugar, fat, will need to be multiplied by 4. It's a good reminder. The real serving size in the moment might be much larger than what's printed on the label, even if we wish it weren't.